Alright, bro, welcome back to the fucking YouTube channel. We got the boys here. We got the one and only Mill Banks. He's an op. Type shit. Say something, nigga. Say something.
I'm not an op, boy.
You fucking op. Anyways, we got Shanks. He's not here right now. He's pulling up. I see him on the map. Say something, my nigga. Say something.
Something.
Oh, fuck no. He said it literally. Never mind. We're gonna go off-road.
I'm coming.
You see this? You see this Jeep right here? That's my shit. That's my shit right here. This is the Rubicon fuck shit. Right here. This is the Ops V. This is the Ops V. This is the Op Chacok type shit. Why is it not red? I don't know. And there's a Raptor here. I think that's Shanks. I don't know, folks.
That's me, nigga. That's me, nigga.
You repping a red Trackhawk even though you crip. I don't know, man. It's moving a little mixy.
Yeah. It looked right at that time, but anyway, let's get ready.
I don't know. It's getting late already, bro. I wasted all that time trying to fix my mic.
It's
a mountain in it. It's a mountain in it.
You lead.
Yeah,
You
I don't
lead.
know where I'm going. Type shit. But yeah.
One eternity later.
Shanks, your V is slow.
That's what I'm saying. I wanna change it.
Now hop in my
Damn.
V, boy.
Yeah. Let me hop in
Come on.
there.
Come. The op is my V.
Nah, chill, bro.
Hey, yo. Too close for comfort. Too close. Goddamn. Yeah, if you hit me that ass, I was gonna kill you.
Nah.
Shortcut, bruh. Shortcut, no other way. This is an off-road V. You
Huh?
can take it.
What?
Drive, nigga. Goddamn.
I'm driving. In my eyes, you bumped me.
Oh yeah, that was a lag. That was lag.
Now pace that V, boy. I wanna show you something. I wanna smoke.
I'm not even racing, bro. My V slow. I know it, cause it's an off-road V. Your V is like for both, I think. I'm finna crash into something that I. Oh nah.
I can do anything.
Ooh, I almost crashed too. There.
Nice on the stage trying to get jiggy.
Yeah, that find that boy alive. All of his body parts was missing. This nigga crazy, man. It's crazy, nigga.
Crazy, bro. That's crazy. Dude.
Bruh, where you going?
Nigga, we doing shortcut. Yeah, now, bro. You ain't listening to all these GTA SA music. You gonna listen to some real shit right now. Real nigga shit.
Alright.
I'm off on the stage trying to get jiggy.
Yeah, man, the song fucking over. I don't know what's gonna play now because I have too many songs, man.
Play names.
I can't choose it. Oh yeah, it's laser.
Money
now.
and vibe.
It's laser. Laser them 700, boy. You know that, boy.
He's trying to get jiggy. Yeah, find the ball.
Damn, this shit flying. Yo.
Yeah.
Track
This is a gas station, bro. How much gas this shit got? Should we fill up or should we just like go?
Now we can go.
Yeah.
The shit.
Hold on, wait. Am I going the right way? Oh, the mountain is somewhere this way. It's close.
One eternity later.
Yo, I think we
Bro,
lost.
you're going the wrong way.
Yeah, I knew it, bro. Oh shit, my bad. I fucked up your track up.
What the hell?
Don't worry about that. Where the map at? I can't see the map, bro. It's glitched on my side. Alright, we gonna have to
Fuck you mean?
You ain't got no motion. What you talking about money for? Man.
Dog, what's your number? Yo, Shanks, flex
Yeah.
your F1, master. Flex your F1, my son.
F1.
That's the phone. It's in a different language. Watch it.
Okay,
Yeah, I know. Go
We in
to
the mountain
info.
right now? Oh yeah, we here.
Phone info,
Go
right?
to, yeah. You see
Wait, let me.
my
Wait, info. Okay.
telephone?
Phone number is 66117455.
Hold on, wait. Let me
Wait.
charge.
66
Wait. 11
6611
7455.
7455. Alright.
Try and call.